Welcome to my channel Image and Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward the clear sky. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage owner. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.